Bicycle brands from different countries. Today, we are looking at the best bike brands around the world. Canyon Bicycle from Germany. Canyon is a bicycle manufacturer based in Hamburg, Germany, known for its direct-to-customer sales model. Colnago from Italy. Merida from Taiwan. Merida is renowned from their high-end carbon and aluminum construction. They produce a wide range of models, including road bikes and mountain bikes. Longchamp from England. PNG from Switzerland. PNG Bicycle Manufacturing Company is a premium bicycle manufacturer from Grenzen, Switzerland. Relay from United Kingdom. Calais from Brazil. Centurion from Japan. Centurion is brand is commonly found in the collection access to aluminum and aluminum as well as for modeling Capida from Finland. Capida is a premium bicycle manufacturer from Finland. Known for its high-quality direct power and plastic. Conchita from Portugal. Marcus Mart is a manufacturer of bicycles based in Melbourne, Australia. Sony from Chile. Hollandaise from France. Bianchi from Italy. Bianchi is one of Italy's oldest and most legendary bicycle brands, renowned for its iconic blue-green colors. Rig from Netherlands. Salhano from Turkey. Giant from South